some part of the news from Nana's birthday. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. So, I'm wearing this nightgown. It says always dream, and it has an owl on it, and it's raining.
You're the one that said it.
And parents. So, I got this at the children's place. And then I wore this under a skirt and this. It says, I don't know what it says, but I think it says, have a holly jolly Christmas and get you diddy here. Oh my golly, have a holly Christmas. So these are the 2 balloons I picked out, or 3 balloons I picked out. And there's a poor little balloon over there with no stemmy thing. Have a holly. So these are the 3 balloons I picked out. This was from Valentine's Day. It says, I love you. Goodbye. This was from Nana's birthday. It's Minnie, and it says, happy birthday. My daddy sat. I don't know who sat on this. I think it was Nana. And it says, happy birthday. And then these 2 are Leo's. This one says, happy Valentine's Day. And then it says,
I need you to
kisses.
come back in here, please.
And then this is
I'm listening. I just think it stays like that for years.
So, while my parents are fighting, I'll just stop this video. Stop this video. Goodbye.